Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to crack screen flow distribution Superbadge unit. So all the prerequisite needs to be completed for this Superbadge has been already posted in our channel. So do check that video. I'll also provide video link in our description. And this Superbadge also need a special developer edition organization to be connected. So how to connect with developer edition organization video is also posted in our channel, and I'll mention that video link also in our description. So do check that video. So I have already connected with developer edition organization. Here I'm just going to launch. Let's take up this challenge now. So here we are just going to search for Lightning App Builder. Click on that, and here you will find Hive Provider homepage. So click on that. We are just going to edit this. Click on edit. So once you get this page, search for flow and drag this flow to this component, and here on flow search for provider and select. Click on save. Let's activate this page now. Close this and click on back. So you just need to copy this. Now let's go to our object manager. Click on account. So here you need to choose button, links and action tab in order to add our new action. So click on new action button. So here we have to choose action type as flow and flow as a provider. We can leave that standard label type as none, and label we just need to copy this and paste it over here. For name it is auto generated. Let's save this and go back to our page layouts. Go to object manager, account and page layout. So click on account layout. We are just going to add that flow over here. So here click on mobile and lightning action, and we are going to drag and drop this right next to our post and click on save. This step we have already completed in one of our previous prerequisite. Now let's go back to our object manager and search for contact. Click on that, and here we just need to choose button, links and action and click on new button or link. So here we are just going to provide the label name as add new provider. Copy this and paste it over here, and name part is auto generated. And for this display type we are just going to click on detail page button and give the exact formula over here, and you just need to copy this formula for future use. And now we need to check this syntax. If you get no syntax error, we are good to go. Click on save and click OK. Now let's go back to our contact page layout. Now click on contact layout and click on button tab. So we have add new provider. Now we are just going to drag and drop this over here. Now let's go back to mobile and lightning action and drag and drop this add new provider right next to our post and click on save. Now let's go back to our app manager. So in quick find, search for app manager and click on that. So you can find app over here. You will have edit option, so click on edit. So choose utility items desktop only, and here we are just going to add our flow to this utility item. So in search you just need to search for a flow, and your flow utility item will be added over here. And we are just going to change this panel width and height as 500, which is mentioned in our challenge as 500. So we are going to change that too. So once you have changed width and height, we are going to choose this flow as provider and click on save. So let's check our challenge now. Scroll down and check our first challenge. So yeah, we have completed our first challenge. So also we have completed our second challenge, so let's check that too. So yeah, we have passed our second challenge too. So let's take up our third challenge. For this, let's go to our home and search for flow. Click on flows. So here you will find a flow called provider. Click on provider. So here you will find an existing flow. So we need to double click on this S1 provider and click on drop down of configure footer, and here we need to change this pass button as pass. Yeah, once if we changed, we can click on done and scroll down. So here we have S2 provider sign up. So double click on that and repeat the same step over here. So for pass we are just going to give it as pass and click on done and repeat the same step for S2 provider edit. So change and click on done and repeat the same step for S2 provider not found. So select pass, click on done and select S3 success, click on pass, click on done. So yeah, we have completed changing all the alterations needed. Now let's not disturb this flow and let's go back to our home and search for all sites. Click on all sites and here you will find a builder. Click on builder. So once you have got this colorful theme footer, now let's go to our components and search for flow and drag and drop this flow to this column 2. Now you will get to see this flow component over here. Double click on that and click flow name as a provider. Now we can publish this as well. So click on publish. So once it is published, let's go back to our app launcher. Now we have to search for contact. Click on contacts. Now click on all contacts and we have to search for Jane Gray. Click on Jane Gray and we are just going to log into experience as a user. Click on that. We will get this page and here we are just going to create a new provider and click on next. And here we need to give a provider name. So search for Jane Grey, select it, and practice name as given in our challenge, which is a solo practitioner. Copy that. So yeah, we have to give this in practice type. So click solo practitioner, and for description give as solo practitioner, and here we have to search for S, and here also S. Also for operation we can give anything by our own, so I'm giving 10 hours, and service category as anything, so let me give this as residential. And we have to make sure that we have given all the marked mandatory field over here. We have done that, and click on next and finish. So now let's go back to our flow, and here double click on S2 provider sign up. So here at practice name we are just going to give this record ID as per our challenge. So copy this record ID variable over here and let's paste it. You need to select it from the suggestion, then it will get changed to the format like this. Now go to our provider name, and here also we have to provide our record ID as contact record ID. Let's copy this and paste it over here and select it. Click on done. So scroll down and click on S3 success, and as per our challenge we have to mention as thank you rather than finish. So copy that, and from configure footer drop down select use a custom label and paste it over here. So yeah, we have changed finish as thank you here. Now click on done and save as and save. Let's activate this, and now we are all ready to check this challenge. So let's check this challenge now. Yeah guys, we have successfully completed the screen flow distribution Superbadge unit. See you on next video. Until then, bye bye, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.